Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheelie channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, could you subscribe and share and like that video? And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. At first I will use Rico Essentials yarn and hook number 2mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot, then make 15 chains as shown now, then close with slip stitch to make a ring. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 2 double crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1, then I will start round 2. I will make 4 chains, then make double crochet into next stitch as shown now. Then make a chain and make double crochet into the next stitch and repeat that 14 times. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 5 chains and leave that unit now. Then I will use the red color and start round 3. I will make a slip knot and repeat with the same sequence, so I will make 15 chains again as shown now. Then pull it through the white unit from the middle of that unit and close with slip stitch as shown now. Then I will start round 4. I will make 3 chains as shown now, then make 2 double crochet into the same stitch and make 2 double crochet into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 5. I will make 4 chains and make double crochet into the next stitch as shown now, and make chain again, then make double crochet into the next stitch and repeat that 14 times. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 6. I will make 5 chains as shown now and make double crochet into the first space for the unit, the white unit, sorry. Here I will make double crochet into that space, first space, then make 3 chains and close them with slip stitch to make a picot stitch, and make a chain again, then make double crochet into the next space and repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished. Then I will leave a long tail, then cut the yarn as shown now, and I will make the same sequence above the unit, the white unit, the next half as shown now. Make double crochet into the first space, then make 3 chains and close them with slip stitch to make a picot stitch, and make a chain and make double crochet into the next space and repeat with the same sequence above that red circle as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. As shown now. Now I finished that crochet rings with that shape. Then I will join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished that crochet rings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.